Jillian van Turnhout.
Thank you very much, and I would like to support Senator Whelan's call for a debate on media ownership here in the Seanad. I'd like to take the opportunity to welcome yesterday's publication of the HSE of the series of reports which were undertaken by the National Review Panel for serious incidents and child deaths. This report details the circumstances of child deaths and serious incidences involving children and young people. Also published yesterday was the first annual report of the National Review Panel, which provides an overview of the work carried out by the group since its establishment in 2010. So it's the first of what I hope is a yearly report. But the report highlighted a number of deficiencies in the current child protection system, including several breaches of Children First guidance, inadequate supervision of practices in the HSE and family services in a number of cases, and the absence of a standardised method of assessing the needs of children and young people who come to the attention of social services. The report also exposed the need for specialist training for social workers to improve investigative skills to assist them in engaging with hard-to-reach families. It also the need for additional protocols for children who abscond from care, and the very real need, as we saw in one of the cases cited, for aftercare support for children when they transition from childhood into adulthood. So I fully support the review panel's recommendations, and the reason I'm bringing it here to the House is the report just goes there, and I really feel that we need greater scrutiny. I am concerned over the report that the National Review Panel says that its workload is virtually impossible to carry out, owing to the number and breadth of inquiries it must investigate. Now, every one of those inquiries is a child death or it's a serious incident. It's not like just we all have piles of paper. It all represents a child. It has been reported that the panel has been asked to review 51 cases, among them 35 deaths, since it was established since March last year. So these are deaths and serious instances since March last year. I think it's imperative that the panel is adequately resourced to ensure the timely, full and proper investigation of these cases. Each and every childhood counts. There are key lessons to be learned from these reports that will help us inform policy in child protection and welfare and prevent future child deaths. And these lessons must be seized on. And what I'm calling on the Leader of the House is to request the Government to entrust to the Joint Committee of Health and Children the receipt of these reports in full on each of these cases, so that they would facilitate appropriate scrutiny within the Oireachtas on the child protection systems.